Hey everyone, today I'm going to teach you how to download a Canva PDF with links. So let's get started with this quick tutorial. First, open the Canva design you want to download. Once your design is loaded and ready, direct your attention to the top right corner of the screen. You'll see a button labeled Share. Go ahead and click on it. This button is your gateway to all sharing and exporting options in Canva, including downloading your design in various formats. After clicking Share, a menu will appear with several options. Look for the Download button and click on it. This will open up the download settings where you can customize exactly how you want your file to be exported. This step is important because it gives you control over the format and quality of your final file. Now, within the download settings, you'll notice a drop-down menu labeled File Type. Click on this drop-down to reveal all the available file formats Canva offers. From the list that appears, select PDF. Choosing PDF is essential when you want to preserve clickable links in your design, as this format maintains interactive elements unlike image formats such as PNG or JPG. With your file type set to PDF, you're now ready to export your design. Click the Download button at the bottom of the settings panel. Canva will begin processing your file and preparing it for download. This usually takes just a few seconds, depending on the size and complexity of your design. Once the processing is complete, the PDF will automatically download to your computer's default download folder. And that's it. You've successfully downloaded your Canva design as a PDF with all your links intact and ready to use. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.